Hello guys, we're back and we're in the Oracle because it's half term and Mom is at working long shift.
Long shift today, so kaming tatlo lang. It's just us three with Kuya Basti and Joakim. Samahan nyo kami at maglilibot-libot kami dito sa pag-alagala lang kami dito sa Oracle. At di pa kami nagla-lunch at mag-alauna na. So nagaya sila, where do you want to eat?
Popeyes.
Popeyes. What about Jollibee, no?
No.
Popeyes daw kami. Habang naglalakad kami, isasama namin kayo. Kwentuhan tayo.
Okay.
Ayan ang panahon. Uulan, malamang. Ang forecast ngayon is it's gonna rain. Yan ang itsura ng Oracle. Papakita ko sa inyo kung saan ako nagtatrabaho dati mamaya. Yan, ayan ang river. Mga tao ay nagre-relax ngayon dahil Sabado, mga Briton pagka Sabado, as much as possible ayaw nila magtrabaho. Gusto lang nila pahinga, relax. Yan. Okay, lakad na tayo. Let's go.
I'll see you there.
Tagal na rin akong di nagde-day off ng Sabado. Madalang na. So ngayon, join nyo kami. Go. Is it raining?
It will.
No,
Wait, it is. I feel it.
Oh, maambon na. Maambon. Tagal din ako nagtrabaho dito sa mall na to. Mga din. Mga 12 years din. Bago ako lumipat sa hospital.
Daleks don't freak me out now. Like when I watch the old Doctor Who episodes, Daleks don't freak me out because they could get upset. But when you go to the it's just so quiet. I was like,
Oh, nasa freezer, sarado na.
yeah, well, because
Nagalmusal kami mga alas 9, mga 9:30 na. Tapos sila naglaro-laro lang. Closing down na yung House of Fraser. Go, come on. Gala-gala. Ang daming nagsasara shop dito kasi ang mahal ng renta dito Yung mga mall dito maliliit lang, hindi masyadong kalaki. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas na ang lalaki. May John Lewis dyan. May mga tao talagang nagkaano lang, nagre-relax lang. Wala namang bibilin. Pag-alagala lang. Ang mga bata ay gutom na. Gutom na rin naman ako eh. It's umaambon. Umaambon. Ito sementeryo. Sementeryo yan. Put your hood on. Lungkod na. You don't want to eat in Jollibee?
Nope.
Nope.
You go that way more than me.
That P4, the burger place.
Huh?
The burger place.
Boba place, yeah. Batang, silang. Sintoku. May-ari niyan, Pilipino. Sama ng panahon ngayon. Mabuti nga, hindi dito yung bagyo eh. Yung bagyo sa Scotland. So dito na tayo sa High Street. Ito yung High Street ng Reading. You forgot Popeyes already. Pagka weekdays, hindi masyado madaming tao. Matao din pero hindi masyado. 40% flex.
From here.
Is that Popeyes?
Popeyes. Napunta doon.
Wait, we didn't even get any dip except the mayo.
It's okay. What number is that? 74.
74. There's a certain sauce that would have been 24.
It's okay. Namamahalan na siya sa 24 pounds, di ba? Ganyan sila nasanay. Hindi sila nasanay na mahal. $6,675.
Look at that.
The price is nice, yeah?
Yeah, they're different ways.
Are these pickles?
Yeah.
See, look, I got pickles.
Give it to me.
Is there any tissues?
That is delicious.
Chicken wrap.
Crispier than KFC.
Yeah.
Yung naman nyo? Ano naman na? Malutong.
Wait.
How did it go? Like it?
Last
The last
bite.
bite na daw.
Last bite. Very good.
Overall, it was definitely worth the £24.
Tapos na kami kumain.
£24.
Pag-alagala na lang muna. Nagpapabili ito ng ano ng Robux.
Yeah, Joking wants Robux.
Kasi daw ano daw. What is his achievement? What is his new achievement?
I moved up to stage 2 in swimming.
Oh, stage 2 na daw siya sa swimming kaya
I
gusto
moved
niya.
up to stage 4. Can I get some?
You just bought Robux for yourself.
Maybe not one.
Mahilig maglaro sa ano tong dalawang to sa Roblox.
Because last time I checked, it was stage 2.
You are stage 4 now.
Like,
Kailan lang sila nagsimula mag-swimming?
not
Hindi.
exactly stage 4, but very high stage 3.
Where is ano?
Sports director.
Sports Direct over there.
That's the thing.
Sarap. Sarap din yan.
What's direct?
Pagka half term talaga, yung mga bata gusto nila naggagala-gala. Kasi naiinip sila sa bahay. So pag off din yung isa sa amin, ginagala-gala namin sila, sinasama namin sila. Where is it?
Yeah, but
Is it there, Joe?
I'll take you there.
Huh? How is it here?
The parents of sports director,
This is a sports shop.
they tried to merge the building.
Yeah.
Mga damit-damit.
Maybe it's upstairs. Kids.
Sobrang laki ng tindahan na to. Kompleto. Kompleto sa mga ano, sapatos, damit.
Okay, game is there.
Where?
It said that.
This part of
Dad, look.
Ayun, doon pala yung game.
Dad,
Oh.
look. Dad. That's the one with the camera.
Okay.
Yo. Oh, wait.
There's 10. There's 10 now, so you don't have to worry about it.
Light on.
Ito pala. Yan pala ang pinabibili niya. Oh, Joakim.
Yeah.
Ayan na.
Tell it.
Sige.
20.
Not that one. Not that one. Just the 10.
There you go.
Bayaran na to, bayaran na. Should we queue and pay for that?
I want to look around. Yeah, you can play now, but
Well, let's look around muna. Pag may mga binata ka, ganito. Pag nagpunta kayo ng mall, yan. Yung mga bata kayo nang hilig nila sa mga games. Meron silang tindang ano dito, mga brand new at saka mga used meron din. Switch. Yung kanilang switch, di na nila ginagamit eh. Joe! Mga laruan. Should we pay for it now?
Wait, look what I found.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh.
It's one piece.
Matutuwa ito pag uwi.
Jag är lappen.
Pustahan tayo, mag-aya na ito umuwi pagkabayad dito.
How much can Huggin?
1,000. Bayaran ko muna to.
What's the Robux gift card?
I didn't pay for it. I don't have money pala. I didn't realize I don't have money. Next time.
yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Nalungkot siya. Siyempre, binayaran ko na, no? Ang daming paninda rito. Sobrang dami ng paninda rito sa tindahan na to. Ayan, mga sapatos. May mga mumurahin, meron din mamahalin. I'm looking for a basketball trainer. Ito pala yung itsura nito. 125. Pag-isipan natin. $57. Ganda rin, ha? Zoom Brick 5, oh. Puro dito.
95 lang.
So I'm gonna get it.
Ah,
Wait, can you gift it? Okay, good.
where's yours?
I don't think mine is near.
It's here. This is where I found your trainers.
Aren't they Under Armour?
Can we go? Yo, let's go.
Even this up.
So where are we going now?
Let's go.
Oracle?
Yeah, Oracle. Why did it say nearly closing?
Normally when I go outside, I keep coming from my school.
Because it's raining. People don't wanna go out.
There's loads of people there.
Punta kami ng Oracle sa loob ng mall. Ito yung high street, by the way, ng Reading.
The Romans invented high street.
Pakaraming tao, no? Lalo na pag maganda yung panahon, madami talagang tao. Ngayon nga, medyo umuulan kasi nagtatapos lang ng bagyo. I wish mom is with us today.
Yeah, she doesn't have to take the longest trip.
Sleepy bottle flip.
You should have like a day off or something.
Tomorrow is her day off and I'm working tomorrow, so that's why we went out today.
I enjoyed that.
Good. You don't like Jollibee, no? Oh, you like it, but you
I like it, but the amount of times we had it when we were in the Philippines, I want to
Oh yeah,
take a bit of a break from it.
nung nasa Pilipinas kami, panay ano, panay champ.
Yeah.
Order niya panay champ.
That way.
Oh, you want to go that way? Oh, let's go.
Yeah. I want to go that way. T4.
Minus 2.5. This is minus 1.5.
Tagal din akong di nag-vlog ah. Halos may isang linggo na. Kasi busy sa trabaho eh. Busy rin sa bahay. So ngayon libre. Dito kami bumibili ng ano, ng boba. Pero not today.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Yeah, next time.
Sige! Throw that away na. So dito sa ano, sa England, meron ding mga ano, meron ding mga homeless naglilimos. Siyempre, kahit saan meron namang ganyan eh. May mga taong
I'm gonna
may mga nangyayaring hindi maganda sa kanila, kaya yan. Kahit na ayaw nila, syempre. Balik tayo sa sementeryo. Pag-ala-gala lang today dahil walang gagawin sa bahay. Madalang talaga kami mag-off ng SAI. Madalang na madalang talaga.
Oh my God.
Ang Reading, yung Oracle, ano eh, yung mga shops halos dami nagsasara eh. Kasi nung tatrabaho ko dyan sa Starbucks, naalala ko, ano, parang sobrang mahal ng renta. Siyempre pag retailer ka, pag wala naman masyadong tao, hindi ka naman kumikita, natural, magsasara yung shop mo, di ba? Ganito yung typical na ano, na Sabado sa England. Madami na dito flats. Balik Reading tayo, ay balik Oracle tayo.
On my way down, I need you. And I miss you. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Yep.
Papakita ko sa inyo kung saan ako nag-start. Yung unang-unang trabaho ko dito sa sa England. Yung store na kung saan ako nag-start, Starbucks. Ayan. Ayan yung first store ko. Siguro ano din ako dito. Kulang 2 taon ng Apple Store. Yan ang aking old store. Pero bagong gawa na to. Hindi na yung dati to, na-renovate na to. Nung dati, sobrang busy dyan. Paikot-ikot lang kami. Sabado. Skechers, mga sapatos ng mga nurse. So this is gonna be a John Lewis now. I don't know, I'm not sure. Watch out. Maliit lang to, siguro. Ano ba kalaki to? Kung sa Tarlac siguro parang ano to. Mas malaki yung SM Tarlac kaysa dito ng konti. Mas malaki yung SM Tarlac. Pero kita mo dito yung mga tao, iba-ibang lahi. Very diverse. Basta't walang pakialaman na ng ginagawa, wala kang magiging problema. Si Jockey, patakbo-takbo lang. Sorry.
Dad, did you buy me Robux?
Yeah. Did I buy your Robux?
Yeah.
Natatakot siya. Kala niya hindi ko binili. Ayan. Yan na yan. Paglabas mo dyan, high street na ulit yan. Balik na kami.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
Maybe we can go watch that.
Do you wanna watch that?
Yeah.
That's gonna be...
October 25th.
I don't care if it's 15 plus.
Boy, you're not allowed there.
I'm just kidding.
Wait, that's 4 days from now, which is a Wednesday.
Oh yeah. Bawal ka pa dyan.
The Exorcist. She's the Exorcist.
Guys, by the way, kwento ko sa inyo yung unang ano ko pala, unang tindahan ko. Ay hindi, yung natindahan na nagtagal ako. Nagtagal ako dyan yata ng mga 11 years. Ayan o. Diyan ako nagtrabaho ng 12 years. Dati ang busy niyan pag Sabado. Siguro ngayon dahil umuulan kaya hindi masyadong busy. Pero nung panahon ko dyan, ay nako, pag Sabado parang ayaw mo magtrabaho dahil sa sobrang kabisihan. Uso na kasi ngayon yung mga delivery. Saka katabi niyan yung sinehan, yung cinema. Yun no. So ito yung Riverside pala sa Oracle.
Even though I hit I just
And now,
this is so dangerous.
yeah,
It's alright.
I might fall.
like,
No! Dad,
Pag umaga,
umaga.
ang trabaho mo dyan, supervisor ako dyan eh. Dito pala kahit na supervisor ka or kahit manager ka, hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas yung trabaho mo lahat. Sa Pilipinas, sabi nila nag-uutos ka lang daw doon pag manager at supervisor ka. Dito hindi. Lahat ng ginagawa ng barista gagawin mo din kahit na mas mataas ka sa kanila. Hindi madali, hard work. Yung mga bakal na yan, yung mga bakal na yan. Bibigat yung mga yan. Pero kinaya ko. Ang reason ko kung ba't ako lumipat na sa hospital, syempre tumatanda na. Kailangan na ng ano. Yung mga kasama ko dyan nung bago ko umalis, karamihan na ano na 20 years old. May mga nag-uni. Tapos parang nasa 40 na ako nun eh. So nag-decide na ako na umalis na. Pero yung kagandahan dyan, merong ano dyan, merong beanstocks. May binibigay yung kumpanya every year. Depende kung ilang oras ang tinatrabaho mo. Kaya noon, nagbebenta ako every 2 to 3 years. Sakto may pamasahe kami pang ano, pang holiday, pagka summer na. Are we going now?
I guess so.
Ayun.
I mean, we bought my Robux, so yeah.
Ang tuwa na to, oh. So you speak to them. Why are you happy?
I'm happy because I got Robux and I haven't got it in so long.
To.
We are going home now, I guess.
Oh, this street, huh? Yeah. Why are you happy?
Because I got Robux. And that's been so long.
So babalik na kami sa parking. Dito tayo, anak. So it's also okay there. Ayan na ang ticket. Tingnan mo ang mahal ng parking. Oh. Sakto kami 2 hours. So 4 pounds. Okay, bayad na.
Show me how you do it. Show me how you do something.
Ayun na.
This is how you
Basta ulit yung ticket. Parking the third floor, yeah? Yeah.
Doors closing.
Doors closing.
Doors closing.
Gordon Ramsay Street Burger. Best burgers in town.
Gordon Ramsay Street Burger.
Car park
How
level
much
3.
those are?
Doors open.
Dito, ang ganda ng ano. Yung talang view dito.
We're so high up.
Closing.
Makita natin yung view. Yan. Yan ang Riverside. Mga restaurants naman dyan.
Oh my God!
Paggabi dito maganda. Maliwanag. Tsaka puno ng tao to. Pag maganda yung panahon. So anyway, balik na kami sa sasakyan. Dito tayo. Sige anak.
What is it?
Is it Saturday today?
Yeah, it is. Yun, stop na. Oh, sige kayo, stop na kasi go pa kayo ng go eh. Ayan ang maulan na araw. Kanina umalis kami ng bahay, wala pang ulan eh. Ngayon, ayan, maulan na. Ang galing ng forecast dito, no? Pag sinabi niyang uulan, uulan talaga. Pag minsan, hindi rin naman. Pagka ganito, medyo ano, sa bahay lang tayo. Chill-chill lang sa bahay. May excited dito yung ano, yung mamang maliit. Gusto Gusto na niyang ano, makauwi straight away. Dahil gusto niya nang maglaro. Hello again guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Nakauwi na kami at sobrang lakas ng ulan. Anyway,
Thank you for the card.
You're welcome.
Bye bye guys, we will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notifications button.
Wow, daig niya ako. Salamat ulit, bye bye.